The Manager tab in Global Vet Link is used to manage your contacts, animals, images, and archive certificate searching. Under the Contacts field, you are able to search for a contact by using the Type Ahead feature in the search box. This filter searches for all fields. You will see the results listed below dramatically change as you type. If you need to add a new owner, click the plus sign to the left of the search field. The results below are displayed in a paginated list displaying 25 per page. Page through the list using these arrows, top right of the screen. Contacts can be easily managed from this screen. If you click the selection box on the left, you are given a delete option, a little trash can icon. If you'd like to edit a contact, click on the pencil icon. Once selected, you are able to edit that contact's information. You can easily edit the name, phone, and email. Once those changes have been entered, hit the Update button. If no changes need to be made, simply hit Cancel. If you are adding a new contact, simply click on the blue plus sign next to the search field and fill out the required information. Then create the contact. You will also see the contact's animals listed to the right of the contact information. Here you have the option to transfer ownership of animals to different owners within the same clinic. There are two options for these animals. The first option is to remove them by clicking the Remove button. This will remove the animal from that contact, but will keep it floating in the system so that you can add it to a different contact later. When you hit Remove, you will be asked if you want to remove this person as the owner of this animal. Hit OK to do so. You can then select the contact who is the new owner of the animal. Once you have the new contact selected, hit the blue plus sign next to the animals. You can then add the floating animal by choosing it from the drop-down menu of Animals Without Owners. This is how you will transfer ownership of animals. The second option is to edit the animal. You will notice that when you hit Edit, it directs you to the next option in this application, Animals. Under Animals, you can edit current animals or add new animals. This page is set up like the Contacts page, with the Type Ahead search feature, the plus sign for adding new animals or groups, and the selection box for deleting animals or groups. To edit an animal, simply hit the pencil icon. You can then change any information on the animal or even add a brand or picture image. To do this, simply hit the respective button. Select the brand or image from your image database and hit Done. Once you have finished editing the animal's information, hit Update. To add an animal, click on the plus sign next to the search box. Here you can type in the animal's information, choose an owner from your current contact database, and add identification information. You are also able to add brands or images by clicking on the respective button. You will then create your animal or animal group. To delete an animal or animal group that is already in the system, do so by clicking the selection box next to the animal's information in the list of animals and then clicking the trash can icon. The next tab you will see is Images. This is where you can manage your animal photos and brands. To upload a new image to your gallery, select the Choose Files option under Add Files. You can then browse for the image on your computer. Once your image is selected, it will appear on your screen. You must then label it either a brand or animal, choosing from the drop-down menu next to the label. Next, add your description of the image. In this way, you can title it using the animal's name, the owner's name, or whatever ID you will recognize. Once the description is added, hit Upload to add the image to your gallery. If you have chosen the wrong image, simply hit the Cancel button. You can search for images in your gallery by description at the top. Simply type in a portion of the description, and the computer will automatically bring up any image pertaining to that description. Once the image is found, you will have a choice to edit or delete it. The final tab is Archives. Under Archives, you are able to search for all completed certificates in your account. You can search here by all certificates or by certificate type, chosen in the first drop-down menu. The initial criteria you can search by include certificate number, species, owner information, or issuing veterinarian. You also may include a date range of signing dates. If you need a more refined search, you can choose to add search criteria. You will then be given another line to add another search variable. To clear the search criteria completely, hit the Clear button on the left-hand side. Once you have hit search, a list of certificates related to your criteria will appear. You can open certificates by clicking on the certificate number, highlighted in blue. You are also able to email or batch email your certificates by selecting the checkmark box to the right of each certificate. At the bottom of the page, you will see a gray button that says Email Selected Certificates. Once you have selected your chosen certificates, hit this button. A box will pop up asking you to type in an email address that they will be sent to. You can add more than one email by simply separating them with a comma. Once the email addresses is entered, hit Send. If you are ready to navigate away from Manager, simply click on the feature you would like to go to. You will see your options of enabled applications on the left-hand side of your screen. There is also a Help button that will lead you to either our support page, our state regulations page, or our Contact Us page. Help opens in a new window, so to return to Manager, simply exit out of the new window labeled GVL Help.